Today we're in Drymen. We're using our Foamstream L12 machine. We're using it to disinfect places like this, the bus shelter itself, and we're also killing some weeds at the same time. And what we're looking to do is reduce the weed growth in general and ensure that it's a COVID-free zone. The system works by mixing foam with water, 3 parts per thousand. The water itself comes out of our lancers at 98 degrees. And what this does, it allows us to kill weeds because you need a temperature above 57 degrees. The foam sits on top of the water and it just literally provides an insulating blanket, and it's the hot water that does the damage to the weeds. From a COVID cleaning perspective, we're using pressure washers and brushes to ensure that we remove COVID particles. Foamstream can pretty much be used anywhere. Where it's most popular is in areas where there is high footfall, where there's lots of people, or there's potential risk to animals and nature. So for example, in parks, open spaces, children's playgrounds, this is where we're largely using our machines. We're in over 25 councils now in and around the UK, particularly in England and Wales. We're very new to Scotland. We've just appointed Fraser Robb as our dealer, and that allows us to give a better service to the Scottish customers by appointing a local dealer. Foamstream is one of those machines that could be used in and around any organisation. So providing you've got weeds that you need to kill and you don't want to use pesticides, basically you can use Foamstream. As opposed to just being a weed killing tool, Foamstream comes with other attachments such as our pressure lance, which can be used to remove chewing gum. You just blast it out using our pressure lance. We also have pavement scrubbing tools, and we also have circular rotating brushes which can be used on street furniture, bus shelters where we are now, and any kind of structure that needs cleaning.